Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This morning I'm off to the town of Chikmagalur, which is around 230 kilometers west of my home in Bangalore. It's a beautiful day and I hope to check out some attractions there. Thank you for joining me. After lunch at the hotel, I'm off to the MULLAYANAGIRI peak, which is the highest peak in Karnataka state. It goes up to about 6,300 feet. It takes about 450 odd uneven steps to reach the top. There are plenty of places along the way to stop and sit to catch your breath, with breathtaking views as well. At the very top, there's a temple which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and you have to leave your footwear outside. Sights from up here absolutely spectacular. Do keep some time in hand to just sit, breathe, look, contemplate. After MULLAYANAGIRI peak, it's off to the JHARI waterfalls, which is a really pretty waterfall here in Karnataka. To get to the JHARI waterfalls, you have to hire a jeep from the main road, and it is a 3-kilometer trip. Costs about $800 to and fro, and the driver waits for you until you get back. The water in JHARI waterfalls is absolutely freezing, but there were quite a few folk who brought along their towels and seemed to have a really good time having a shower under the waterfalls. It's been a long and adventurous day for me, and as the sun sets and the temperature starts to drop rapidly, it's time for me to head back to the hotel and hopefully get in before it gets really dark. Good morning, folks. This morning I'm off to the HIREKOLALE lake, which is about 10 kilometers outside of CHIKMAGALUR, and it's supposed to be a very scenic spot famous for its sunsets. Just a few minutes ago, a big fat snake and I both landed up on that ramp. He's currently hiding underneath that branch with his tail up in the air, and this is as far as I'm going to go. It's time for me to head back to Bangalore now. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.